Hello, I tell you how to create a page. First go to page. First go to our real original Facebook ID. Then go to page section. Create a new page. Only write a name of our page. If you have no time to set up or optimize your page, then only write a name of our page. I will set up and optimize your page. Now I will tell you how to give me access of your page. Go to Meta Business Suite. Then select our page. After you select our page, then go to all tool section, then go to setting and select people, then go to invite people, write my Gmail ID, next give me all access. Then next right click here, all access, confirm, then give all access, full control, everything, full control, full control. Next, continue and submit. Done. Invitation sent. I show you Facebook. After I accept your invitation, you see this. Only pages show, not your personal account show. This is my client's pages.